No. Because you've had two. This would be your third one. So you're going to get fat. Sit. Good. Shake. Other one. Good. Lay down. Lay down. Good boy. Speak. 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 Low. Speak. Speak. Lowy. Speak. Fine.
Are you coming down the stairs, Bella? Come on. Come. Come on, down you come. Come on. Come get your dinner. It's dinner time. Come on. Come on. Come. Come on, Bella.
Ouch. I'm going to Turtle Point. Sorry, Petey, but they didn't exactly invite you. What are you talking about? Why would that be assumed? You make a good point. So do I text and ask them first, or do I just show up with Petey?
What are you looking at? Why are you shaking? What are you looking at? Why are you shaking? What is it? What is it, Zoe? What is it? What is it? Oh my goodness. Is it a ducky? Is it a ducky? Is it a ducky? I guess we're buying it.
Hadi gel. Hadi gel kızım. Gel hadi gidelim gel. Gel gidelim hadi gel gel. Hadi gel gezmeye gidelim. Hadi gel gel.
Ghost, you want a cookie? You want a cookie? You want a cookie? I got the cookies over here. What's wrong? Why do you do this every time? You get behind the couch and you get yourself stuck because you don't know how to back up. And now I have to move the tables to get you out. Is that okay with you? Huh? Is that fun? Minnie, you need to learn how to back up.
What? Hey, we're trying to go to sleep. Hey, call Blue. Hey. What? What can I help you with? No, I don't know. What do you need help with? It's bedtime. Shiloh. Oh my gosh.
Oh, let's go. We are going outside. You don't want to go? Let's go. Okay, bye.
What are you doing, bro? Bang the neighbor? Can I touch it? Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. What are you doing in the sink, bro? That's all you. I don't want to touch it. Alright, I'm not. I'm sorry. Can I paw? Give me paw. Come on. Yeah. Smile. Smile. Good man. Alright, let me help you down. Hey, Dogator, you good boy. How you doing, bud? He's a good boy.
Daisy, say, I want to speak to a manager. I want to speak to a manager.
Of course, what can I get you? Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Qu'est-ce que tu fais?
Can I help you? Hello? I love you too. I love you. I love you. I love you.
Here he comes. We're in a... Okay. Stop it. Stop interrupting me. No! Stop interrupting. No, stop. Walter. I told you why we can't go to the park. No, I told you why we can't go to the park. It's closed today because they're spraying for bugs. Do you want to live with creepy crawlers all over? I guarantee you don't. You really need to think about how you talk to me. You're disrespectful without even knowing my reasons why. You talk over me. You are allowed to have a voice here in 2018, you know? But it's like you're crossing the line on being disrespectful each and every time.